This Tres Leches cake has captured the hearts and stomachs of many, and with our expert tips and creative customization ideas, you'll soon become a connoisseur in no time. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Sift the flour, baking powder, and salt in a large bowl. Beat egg yolks with half the sugar in a mixing bowl until pale yellow. Add the vanilla extract, followed by the flour mixture. Then, add the milk and combine well. Beat egg whites on high speed until soft peaks form. Add the remaining sugar with the mixer running and beat until egg whites are stiff but not dry. Fold egg white mixture into the batter gently until just combined. Lightly oil and flour a 9 by 13-inch baking dish. Pour batter into the prepared pan and spread to even out the surface. Transfer to the preheated oven for 35 to 40 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. Leave the cake to cool until barely warm. Combine the evaporated, sweetened condensed milk and whole milk. Stir over low heat until well combined, then remove from the heat. Once the cake has cooled, use a fork or skewer to pierce the cake all over. Slowly drizzle all the milk mixture, trying to get as much around the edges of the cake as you can. Chill the cake for an hour at least, allowing it to soak up all the milk. Whip the heavy cream, sugar, and vanilla extract until stiff peaks. Spread over the surface of the cake. Use a spatula to create swirls in the cream on top. Garnish with crushed pistachios or desired decorations. This cake is best served chilled, so leave it in the refrigerator until ready. I like to make the cake the night before to help the cake soak up all the milk. The full recipe with serving suggestions in on my blog vinaasmanov.com. I hope you will like and subscribe for new amazing recipes.